Hey guys, what's up? Right, MTRB over here, and today we have an unboxing of the Dyson Pure Hot+Cool Link. It's a purifier heater and it removes 99.95% of allergens and pollutants from the air. So let's go ahead and look into this product, what it comes with and what sort of features it has. I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to install the app from Dyson, and we're just going to run through the app and see how that is. So right, first of all guys, let's go ahead and unbox this package. So guys, first off we have warranty slips and the manual as well. And it comes with this remote. So with this remote, it's really nicely packaged and it comes in a big box, but the box is just for protection. And it's sort of it looks like metal, but it is plastic and it's slightly curved. And it tells you about the app and it gives you your Wi-Fi code. So let's open up the Dyson fan. It's a fan, cooler, heater, whatever you can call it, but Dyson calls it Pure Hot+Cool Link. It looks very neatly made. It's a bit heavy, around about 2 to 3 kilograms. So guys, that's the remote control. It's very simply and sleekly laid. Looks like an Apple remote control. That's the battery at the back, so you can fit the battery, and that's the infrared sensor on the front. So Dyson's 360 Glass HEPA filter is made out of 6.3 meters of H13 borosilicate microfibres pleated precisely 333 times, with 3 times more graphite than before. So that is really unique. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So all you have to do is you have to keep the button pressed so that it connects to the Wi-Fi. Now you can see that the Wi-Fi mark is being blinked, and all you have to do is download the app, and we'll just run through the instructions a little bit and to see if we can catch up with a few things, which if in case we are missing out on anything. Next, what we need to do is we need to download the app. So the app's done. We have the Dyson app. Let's fire it up. And after the app opens up, it'll give you sort of different screens which you have to go through, and it'll ask you if the machine is turned on, the router is connected to the internet, and so on. After that, because you have already pressed the button on the Dyson Pure Cool Link, and all you have to do is you have to select the specific fan which it is and then press OK, and over here it'll take you to the Wi-Fi settings of the machine itself, where you have to connect your phone and the machine and put in the password which has been supplied to you on the manual. So that's where the indication comes up, it's connected, and what it'll do is it'll set up the machine, it'll do any software updates which are required, and then we'll be good to go. Right guys, so it's connected now. So what this means is after it's connected, your phone will be connected to your Wi-Fi network back again, and the fan, heater, cooler, the Dyson Cool Link will be connected to the Wi-Fi of your home network. Over here, it'll just set it up completely, and that is it guys. So here we have our room, a depiction of the room. It'll give you your humidity, it'll give you a temperature, and it'll give you a pollen rate, and it'll tell you how clean is the air. So here guys, that's the main remote control app. So the app itself has a remote control, and it's got different features. One of the main really cool features, you can turn it off, you can turn it on. I've turned it off and it goes off, very simple. And then if you turn it back on, here you go guys, you can turn it back on. You can raise the temperature, you can raise the fan speed from here, you can set the timer, and I've just set it to the heater mode. and after that I just want to check the cooling mode, and here we go. So when it goes to the cool mode, it'll give you this cool sort of picture on your app. So I'm gonna hit auto to see what happens in auto. So right now it's in auto. In auto mode it goes really quiet and it'll start filtering your any pollutants on the air. Now it hits oscillation, so that let's check the oscillation out, and then you have the night mode in which it really goes dim, the lights on the Cool Link itself, and after that we have the diffuse mode. So let's go ahead a bit into the settings. So guys, in the settings are pretty much straightforward and simple. There's nothing complicated in it. It's really designed neatly and I really love it. The purifier settings has your serial number, your room name, your time zone. It'll give you your air quality, your notifications, your software update, and you can even remove your purifier, but you need to confirm it from there. So I've just closed the app and opened it up again so that it can pick all the parameters. So now it's giving me the correct temperature, it's giving me the humidity, and obviously it's giving me the pollen status and the air quality index. Now I'm just going to switch the fan to 10. It's not noisy at all, it's brilliant. It's not like other fans that will be very, very noisy. No, even at a 10, 10 is the maximum speed. It's not noisy at all. And that's the oscillating features. It doesn't really oscillate 360 degrees. But yeah, guys, you can see the oscillation, that the angle of oscillation over here. The build quality is excellent. What I feel is it looks like metal, but it's not metal, it's all plastic. And the sections over here, the black section which you're seeing, that's where the air comes out. These holes represent the where the filter is fitted. Here I have just tilted the Dyson Cool Link, and I have tilted it in the front, and I'm just going to tilt it a little bit at the back, so it gives you a bit of tilt if you need to tilt it front or back. And obviously, guys, you've seen that the remote really fits really nicely. It's got a magnetic sort of attachment. It just fixes on the top. So guys, my impression of this Dyson Pure Hot Cool Link is that it is really worth spending that money because Dyson products are absolutely brilliant. I mean, I just bought it for personal use because I use the computer a lot and I need the room to be cooled and I need a good sort of air quality. And guys, so this was my review for the Dyson. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. If you did, give it that thumbs up and do subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.